Hello, friends. There is no human being in this world who is always feeling 100% all the time. Have you ever seen a human being who is always happy all the time? We always have low outcomes. We all suffer setbacks. We all get into things which we shouldn't. We sometimes lose our way. Many people lose their way and get lost forever. But there are some people who always get back on track and walk the way they are destined to live with. There are so many situations when we feel low, but we should know how to come back. There are always situations where we are pushed to the corner, but it is our choice whether to be there or we come back strongly. So, what are the ways which we can come back strongly and try to achieve our goals? The first one is find the reason why. When you find the reason why, you understand what are you here for, why are you here for, why you want to succeed, why you want to make money, why you want to be more productive. Unless you know the reason why, you will not understand what are we here for on this planet or earth. You will be able to do better things when you know what are you living for. So it is always important that you find your why and you will be able to do more productive and better things. The second thing is understand that your life is very short. You only get one shot to prove whatever you are on this earth during whenever you are here in this lifetime. You can do lot of better things, you can influence lot of people, you can do quite a few things which will impact your life and impact other people as well. So understand that you need to make most of it when you are here on this earth. Try to build your passion, try to work on more things which you love and which you will kind of get better off. So you always think what to do, how to do better. Try to mix with people who are positive minded and who can help you in growing. The third thing is try to surround yourself with more positive mindset people. Try to get mentors who can get you into a better mindset, a positive mindset. Try to read books, try to get into more self development and more self improvement topics where you can learn more things and try to make your life better by understanding people better and understanding things better. It is so important that we should be able to focus properly on our goals and what we need in life. The fourth thing which I think is we should always be more energized. Try to work on ourselves, try to be healthy all the time, because health of course is wealth. Unless you are healthy or not up to the mark, you will not be able to do anything in life. So try to work on try to work on your things. Try to get up early, try to be more energized all through the day, which will keep you more productive. Fifth thing is keep your goals always in focus. What you want to achieve, how you want to achieve, and ultimately where you want to be in your life. Goals have to be short term, can be long term, but keep checking your goals so that when you know that you are on track, you will be much more motivated, and that will keep you in the hunt for your goals. So basically I felt these are the ways which we can always keep ourselves on track. Whenever you lose your way, try to come back and make yourself sure that you are on the right track. That is how I have made myself. I have built my passion on helping other people, keeping their motivated, keeping their mindset always positive. I always work on keeping healthcare professionals in mind, where if they have lost their way, they can always get back on track and try to be more focused on patient care, customer satisfaction. That is what I have built all through these years, and I have worked on few parameters which I can help you upon. If you all feel that this video has given you some insights, because I have worked on it for quite a few years, I will be able to give you a very positive mindset and all the parameters which can help you grow and keep you on the track. If you want any help, any support, you can always ping me. I am available on Facebook and YouTube. My videos are there on YouTube, which will give you more understanding. Keep me on your list and keep watching my videos.